DEWALT has 3 new workshop products out that are tools but not tools. First, JobSite Pro Max speaker. This one differs from the other wearable speaker because it has a light. I think that's pretty cool. And if you double tap, it goes to a strobe, double tap again, goes to red, double tap, goes to like a red strobe, double tap, goes back, single tap turns it on and off. So it's going to remember where you're at. This guy will also take phone calls. You hang up using the power button, volume is on the side, and then you can charge this USB-C with the included cable right there. Pretty sweet. Has a huge clip on it. The phone calls on it were pretty good. I liked it. Johnny, golf cart guy. How's it going?
Shaking.
I am just testing out a DEWALT Bluetooth wearable speaker, and it's got a microphone. Yeah. So I'm trying to figure out if it works. Can you hear me good?
Doesn't sound bad. I can tell you're on something, but it doesn't sound bad.
That's good. What's happening?
You just trying to turn the corner of gas in Michigan with a 40-foot trailer.
Oh.
With a tractor on it with them new Bluetooth chains this tractor's got.
Bluetooth chains, huh? Secondly, we have a phone stand. You go, yeah, whatever. But this is going to give you a magnetic charging phone stand, 65 watts. If you want to use that, great. It's just a USB-C that is up here. You can unplug that from the actual phone charger, so it's not magnetically charging. Some people like magnetically charging, some people don't. It's simply just this little cube. You might have seen this before because it's in their universal car charger. Very, very similar. So this guy adjusts. You can see I have it up all kinds of different places. It does whatever you'd like it to, and then you can tighten it down, and it also has a ball on top and another way that you can move this anywhere you'd like to. Gives you a place not only to charge your phone, but you also have 3 places on the bottom that you can charge. Anything 265 watts in one USB-A that's going to be down there, that's going to be 18, 65 watts max on the bottom. It is kind of weighted here, so pretty decent. Put it in your toolbox if you're a mechanic, anywhere you want, somewhere in a welding area, whatever, you got your phone there, plugs into AC. Pretty sweet, even in its highest capacity. I mean, it's not gonna flip over. You're gonna have to hit it pretty hard. Like I said, weights in the bottom. I like it. I think that's kind of cool. A great way to just have a place to put your phone. If you're a YouTube mechanic, you can actually have your phone there charging and watch how to do something. I thought that's pretty sweet. Something that's a little bit different, but not too far off the path. Last is going to be this 48 by 18 Workbench Mat. Whew, I'll put some links in the description for this. This is a pretty expensive mat, but at the same point in time, 3 millimeters thick. It's going to give you impact resistance. It's going to give you scratch resistance, chemical resistance. It's going to basically be your mat to put things on that are going to be non-slid, and there's little places that you can organize parts, which I think is pretty cool. It's nice. I like it. I think that's one thing that when this came out, other than maybe the price is 60 some bucks right now on Amazon, and that's got a coupon code with it at this point in time. The expense is there, there's no doubt, but a cool DEWALT label on the bottom. Check that out. No, you have centimeters on one side, inches on the other side, and you can do some measurements. I think you got to get it dirty in order to get fairly precise to see it. When it's new, or if you keep it looking like new like this, it's a little bit harder to see those marks. Either way, cool mat. And I think it's neat that DEWALT's coming out with these little things like this wearable speaker. You know, they've had wearable speakers before, but incorporating a light into it, I think is just where it should be. Cool stuff though. Check it out. I will leave some links in the description, and you can check them out. I'll try to find the best prices out there. Most of them are going to be on Amazon at this point in time, which is interesting. Maybe we'll see some of the other tool places pick this stuff up fairly soon. Always interested in your comments. Leave them below. Give us a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.